I'm keeping it my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven. I got the Greek ass seven.
Alright, so here a little sound bite or whatever, so you can see kind of how this one sounds.
Make 'em say, Nigga, I'm the colonel of the motherfucking tank. Y'all have the big things, we have the big bang. Heard from hustlers, soldiers, and Thailand. Time the dealers and killers with true that never gave a fuck.
Which I mean, it's not bad. You know what I'm saying, I'm pretty sure all these speakers is it's like 6x9s in the doors. You know what I'm saying? It's a 6x9 back there, 6x9 back here, and then we got the little door speakers, or the not door speakers, but little speakers up there. So while it does sound good, it's gonna sound even better. But that clip was to be a before reference point for where we're at. So let's get into it. So we got the door off, the door panel off. Got the door panel off. Got the speaker out. This is the stock speaker. As you can see, like that magnet is tiny in comparison to that one. And any of y'all that know about music and speakers and magnets and all of that stuff know that it's about to go down. That's all I can tell you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed. The rest of them installed. I'm not gonna walk y'all through each one. I just want to show y'all the comparison between the stock speaker and aftermarket kickers. And not only if it just, not only is it just one speaker. You know what I'm saying? Now you have your highs. You basically have tweeters in each door. It's gonna make that motherfucker scream, yo. So from here, we have our Metra Chrysler Dodge speaker harness. As you can see, it's easy installation, no cutting required. Plug straight into the factory harness. Go ahead and pull it out. A good video person would have already had that shit open. But I'm a real one and I do it on the fly. So this is what you get. What you see is what you get. So these are gonna plug. This is gonna just plug directly here, like so. Boom. And then these, a lot of you are familiar with, just go hook up to the speaker and we install. So yeah, simple. All right guys, so we got all of the speakers installed. All of the old ones have been taken out. Show the difference between them before we put them in. Everything installed was 3-way speakers. So yeah, definitely gonna be a major improvement sound quality wise. Like I said, the only modification was the speakers, not the actual head unit. So you won't have as much control. See, those are the old tweeters.
Me more money, more still beans that want the screens, the corporate in the cab, and keep your hood reminding you.
So as you can already see, we don't have to max it out.